Good morning, all of you. My name is Chand Praveen Nandev. I am from Jalna. I recently passed out my Bachelor of Pharmacy in Debatu University. Today's topic is technical, and today's subject is human anatomy physiology, and topic name is the blood. So we are discuss about the blood. We are starting. The blood is a specialized body fluid, perform the essential function, vital survival, and the proper functioning of the human body. It is serves to transport medium for the gaseous and nutrients, the hormones and waste products, plays the key role in the regulating body temperature, pH and immune response. Here the detailed breakdown of blood structure, function, and the significance in human physiology. The blood composition. The blood consists of the main components: plasma, the liquid of portion, the formed of the elements, and the cellular components. The plasma, first we are see the plasma. Plasma 55% of the blood volume. The plasma is the yellowish liquid of the constituent about 55% of total blood volume. It is the made up of water, proteins, then electrolytes, nutrients, hormones, etc. First, water. The water is 90% acts as solvent medium for the transport of the substance. Then protein. Protein is the 7%. This protein perform the various function including albumin, globulin, and fibrinogens. Fibrinogens are the protein in blood. Blood clotting is the main function of the fibrinogens. Then albumin. The albumin is the most abundant plasma protein. It's maintain osmotic pressures, and globulin, the group of protein involved in the immune response, antibodies, immunoglobulins, etc. Then electrolytes are the salt, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, chloride, barbiturates, etc. are the essential maintaining fluid balance, nerve transmissions, and muscles contractions. Then nutrients is the glucose, amino acid, vitamins, and lipids, and they are transported to cell throughout the body. There are 21 type of amino acid present in our body, and there are vitamins are two types: fat soluble vitamin and water soluble vitamins. There are two types of vitamins present in our body. The hormones is the chemical messengers like insulin, the adrenaline, that are regulate the process such as growth, metabolism, and reproductions. Waste product is included urea, creatinine, the bilirubins, and which are the created organ like kidneys and liver for excretion. The gaseous: oxygen, carbon dioxide are also dissolved in the plasma through the majority oxygen carried by red blood cells. The formed element 45% of blood volume. The formed element of cellular component of the blood, they include the red blood cells, RBC, erythrocytes. There are also known as erythrocytes. The structure of RBCs is small, round, the biconvex disc shape. This is lack of nucleus. The shape of increases surface area, the facilitates the efficient gas exchange. The functions of RBC. RBC is responsible for the transporting oxygen from the lungs and tissue, and the returning the carbon dioxide and from the tissue of the lungs, and they contain the hemoglobin. The proteins binds oxygens in the lungs and release tissue. Hemoglobins also helps transport the carbon dioxide, metabolic waste products back to the lungs. Hemoglobin is RBC's color is responsible for the hemoglobin red color. Yeah, in this present heme cells. Then lifespans about the 120 days. Damaged RBC be removed from the spleen and liver. The white blood cells, also known as leukocytes. The structure of WBC is larger than the RBC, have the nucleus and the colorless in their natural state. They involved in the immune system, fights infection and foreign invasive particles. Types of WBC: the neutrophils, lymphocytes, and monocytes, etc. First of all, the neutrophils, the most common type of WBC, the essential fighting bacterial infection by the in the diseases pathogens. Phagocytes, lymphocytes include T cells, which are destroy the infrared cells, help regulating the immune response, and beta cells. Then monocytes, these are the into macrophages, the intertissue where they also help with the phagocytes, remove the dead cells and the debris. Then eosinophils and basophils. Eosinophils is the primary involved in the defense against the infections, allergic reaction. Eosinophils involved in the inflammatory response. They release the histamine and help of the initiate body immune response. Then platelets, thrombocytes. Structure of platelets: the most small irregular shaped cell fragment derived from the megakaryocytes and the critical and the bone marrow. They lack of nucleus. The function of the platelets are the critical blood clotting. When the blood vessels are injured, platelets aggregates to plug that help to seal wound, and they also release substance trigger conjugations, a cascade leading to formation of the stable lifespan. The platelets are typically live from the 7 to 10 days and removed by the spleen. The function of blood, first of all, is the transport oxygen, carbon dioxide. Then regulations is the temperature regulation, pH balance, then fluid balance, etc. Then protection, immune defense, blood circulation and cardiovascular system, the heart, arteries and veins and capillaries, etc. Thank you for watching for my video.